It's your boy Knock. Viking Bags just sent over an exciting gift. About to open it up, see what we got. Hey. It's a little weight to it. And we don't need this. All right. So, just got Viking Bags 57L Voyage bag. So, not gonna lie, first impression, this is a suitcase. This is big. This is 57 liters for your motorcycle. So, want to go over some cool features with you guys on this Voyage bag by Viking Bags. The material that they used for this bag was a laminated Cordura, which essentially just means that it holds its shape no matter how much stuff you pack this thing with, and it also helps it make it water resistant, right? So pretty neat. We'll start from the top to the bottom, and we'll just start opening everything up and see how much stuff can you actually hold in this big bag, right? So starting from the top, you'll see that you have a separated compartment, what it looks like. So we can put our sneakers or boots in here, just in case it's sturdy and you don't want to mix it in with your clothes. At the top, we'll have a nice little separate compartment with a zipper. Maybe you want to put your socks or something like that if we're keeping it together. All right. Now we'll move on to the middle. Yep. So the main compartment, it's pretty cool, has two straps that holds it so it doesn't fall all the way back. It's nice, it's really deep, can hold, I mean, it holds like a week trip, I think you can do for two people. Each side has little side straps. Looks like we have in here as well a shoulder strap that can attach to the corners. You can just strap it on your shoulder and go. You have a rain cover in case the weather turns. Throw it on. Has a clip as well, so you can clip it on, make sure it's tight. And then inside as well, what I noticed, it has this little laptop space with a padding on it as well. So in case you want to bring your laptop, you got some work stuff that you want to do, or maybe edit a video, boom. The next thing, what I did want to show you is pretty cool. Here, you can actually open this compartment up that's up top and drop that down, and now it'll just be a full-size bag. I mean, with this, again, week worth of clothes for a trip, camera gear, anything I feel like you would actually need for you, and maybe you have someone with you that's riding. Next thing, we would go into the middle, and here it looks like, I mean, it's just enough space if you wanted to put your phone, wallet, anything like that. And also what I noticed is these zippers feel of really good quality as well, which is really important. On each side, there's going to be these two small compartments, right? So it looks like the top, you can actually add, it's a perfect actually angle or shape for some sunglasses or your riding glasses, right? And then at the side, you actually have a nice decent amount of space. I mean, this, I would really throw some toiletry, maybe, things like that. Keep it separated for you and one for your partner, right? So both same. You'll notice as I'm turning it, it actually has these little handles and they're on both sides. All right, so I mean, you can lift it up, carry it, or at the top as well, you have this nice thick handle that helps you pick it up, right? And then the last feature to show you guys is what the bag is actually made for, which is to go on your Sissy bar, right? So you have these three straps, which has some really strong Velcro on it, right? So you'll be able to strap it down. And then on top of it, for some added security, it has 4 anchor straps as well. So you can actually attach it to the bottom of the Sissy bar, or I would imagine using my rear crash bar. It's a pretty long string, so it's 2 in the back, and then you have 2 more in the front, right? So it's a pretty neat bag. I mean, we are gonna use this thing. We do have a trip coming up in a couple weeks that we're gonna be heading out for a weekend, and we're gonna put this thing to the test. So shout out to Viking Bags for this dope bag. Appreciate it. All right, so let's actually go and put this on the bike and see how it looks, all strapped in and ready for a trip. We are gonna put this on the Ironborn Sissy bar that's also by Vikings as well. It's a foldable rack as well. So we're gonna unscrew it, and we're gonna drop down the rack. We're gonna take the Voyage bag and these 3 straps, we're gonna slide it through the back. Just gonna unclip the anchor. We'll come through the bottom. Straighten it out. Tug on it. Tighten it up. Anchored. It's not going anywhere.